In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new file in Figma. Start by opening Figma, either in your web browser or the desktop app, and sign in to your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, you'll land on your file browser. This is your home base for everything you create and organize. On the left side, you'll see navigation for your recent files, teams, or workspaces, and a section labeled Drafts. Drafts is your personal space. Think of it as a private sandbox where you can quickly spin up ideas before sharing them with others. Now, move your attention to the Drafts section in the left sidebar. Right next to the word Drafts, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon. This is the fastest way to start something new without having to navigate through menus. If you hover around and don't immediately see it, make sure you're in the file browser view rather than inside a file. Clicking the plus will bring up options for the kind of file you want to create. Choose the type of file that fits your goal. If you're designing interfaces, creating components, or working with frames and prototypes, pick a design file. If you're brainstorming, mapping user flows, or running workshops, choose a FigJam file. Figma may also show quick start templates you can use to jump ahead with standard canvas sizes or common flows. These are optional but helpful when you want a structured starting point. Don't worry about making the perfect choice. Each file type is easy to manage, and you can always create another if you need a different format. After you've made your selection, your new file opens immediately. You'll see a blank canvas with the toolbar at the top and layers on the left. At the very top, click where it says Untitled, and rename your file so it's easy to find later. Figma saves automatically, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. By default, this file lives in your drafts, which makes it private to you until you intentionally move or share it. Take a moment to set up your canvas. Adjust your zoom level, create a frame if you're in a design file, or add a section if you're in FigJam. This helps you stay organized as you work. From here, you're ready to design, diagram, or prototype. That's all it takes. Go to your Figma account, click the plus next to drafts, pick your file type, and begin creating in your new file right away.